All right, record player operation. First, take your record out of the sleeve. This is the Cars. Put it on the table, then reach back here and you've got a rocker switch that'll power the unit up. Got your red light there. We're gonna press 33, not 45, otherwise it's gonna sound like a bunch of chipmunks. And next, you will unclasp this arm, which allows you to move the arm with the needle. Place it over the record, press play. And then when this is up, it suspends the needle over the record. So to set it down easily, you just lower it down like that. That's it. So then to take the needle off the record, you just lift this up. Don't have to worry about scratching anything. Move this back. The clasp back on. And power down. And put your record back too, please. Thank you.